What's up guys, today I'll be doing other quick reviews on Justice Gundam. Over here as you can see, oops, I think it's out a little bit. On the Justice Gundam, as you can see on the screen, with an additional beam rifle, nice decals, nice long head, and the Perfect Strike Gundam. If you guys don't know what Perfect Strike Gundam is, it's something like a replica of Strike. Okay, other than this, I mean, your one and only Sunny Craft here, and very long sword, nice. Have a very long gun, something like a bazooka missile launcher type, pretty nice. Yeah, and you can also connect it to the back. See, it's somewhat connected to each other. Wait, let me just get this out for you. Here, this right here, this thing over here is for the sword, and this thing connected is for the gun. Okay, now for the shield. I not added it because I was afraid it might drop out and make the kids look not so nice. Oops. This is the normal Strike Gundam's shield. Wait, it's kind of offside. Now the normal shield and the Justice shield over here on the screen. You can see. Now speed. Nah, just kidding. That's for babies and kids. Now, I've added some nice decals over here on the arms, as you can see, skirt armor, and even the side skirt armor here. Modified it a little bit because I'm joining the competition. Now for the booster of the Justice. Here, wow, you can remove. Over here, you can twist, you can turn it accordingly to how you like it. The missiles, you can go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. See, it's all adjustable. Now, I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it looks when the Justice backpack is on. Here, all you have to do is remove it, you put it on the top, hit, then you can put it down. But let me tell you guys something. You might get back heavy sometimes as the link is not so wide. You have to like put it move forward sometimes. See, you can see here, nice boost at the back. Right here, up, down, left, right, firing. When there are two guns over here, see, if you can see it over here. Okay, so now off to the other first feature stuff. I think Justice is among all of my model kits. I think Justice is the only one with this kind of booster. The Infinite Justice. Lol. Here like this. Looks absolutely nice. But what matters is it might get back heavy sometimes. Now, if you guys did enjoy, please like and subscribe, as it will be a really great help for me. And one more thing. Goodbye, bye bye. See you next time. Goodbye. That's just an awkward voice from me. Now, please like and subscribe.